Hello everyone, Thomas from Edifier here today, and I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from your remote. For remotes like this that have a divot on the back side, this can be found in speaker systems such as the S1000dB, E25, E25HD, E235, and the SA80. Simply take a coin or any other rounded object, flip it to the unlocked position, flip it over, take out the locking part, and your battery is in the middle. This one has a spring system to keep it in place, so I'm going to push back on it and take it out. Simply replace the battery, push it back in so that it's locked and firm. Place that back there and flip it over to the locked position, and your speaker system is ready to go.